That's how much water is dripping out of the flapper. Every 15-20 minutes it's got to fill the tank back up that far, so that's a lot of water to be wasting. That tells me, I believe there's something wrong with this flapper. If I push down on this flapper, just put some extra pressure on it and kind of listen, the dripping stops. So that tells me this flapper needs to be replaced. Now this flapper is probably close to 6 years old, and they're not designed to last forever. They got to be replaced once in a while. So check that out next time your toilet keeps filling up.